Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss how to use AI to describe and analyze data insight from Power BI visuals. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So on the screen, you can see one visual. It's a column chart basically. The first column is sales quantity and the second column is customer. So this is very straightforward visual. But if you have a very complex visual and your user want to see the data insight about this visual, then this feature is very helpful. To enable this feature, we have to select this visual actually, and we have to go to the formatting option. And in the formatting option, you have to click on the formatting option, and after that, I will click on the journal. And in journal, you can see one option called header icons. So first you have to enable this one, and after that, you have to expand this and come down. Then again, you will see one more option called icons. Click on the icons. Now come down and here you can see the option called Copilot Summary. Just enable this. Once you enable, you will see the on the top of visual, you will see the small icons, Copilot Summary. Now let me minimize this and we'll see this. Now you have to click the Copilot Summary. And now the Copilot window has been opened and we'll see the result. We have to wait. So it is generating, still generating, still generating, it's finished. So first thing, it is giving the overall, the sales order quantity and which state actually. So it is completely describing. And after that, you will see the customer. It is giving the correlation between the customer count and the sales order quantity. It is describing about the relationship between the order quantity and the customer, number of customer. And here are the some pattern and the clusters. So it is explaining the some pattern and the cluster. So this is very useful actually when the user want to describe or analyze any visual, any Power BI visual, and it works for any Power BI visual. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.